Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to disallow tag and mentions in Threads app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Threads app. Now go to your account. Press on two lines. Go to privacy. Here you can see the option of tags and mentions. Click on this. Now here, if you want to disallow your tag and mention in your threads, you just have to press here none option. That's it. So this is how to disallow tag and mention in your threads app. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.